Alright, so in this video of Salesforce Bytes, we'll talk about how can we remove or hide the new button on the related list layout of any record. So I'm on the contact record and I have the related section here, and we see opportunities, cases and other objects that are associated to the contact record. What if I wanted to remove this new button right here for opportunities and not allow the end user to be able to create new opportunities here, right? So to be able to do that, let's take a look at the page layout. So to go to the relevant page layout for contact, let's go to setup, object manager. I'll type in contact here on the quick find. And let's take a look at the page layouts. So right now there are 4 layouts. So to be able to figure out which layout I am assigned as the system admin, let's see the page layout assignment. And this assignment tells me that I am assigned the contact layout as the system admin, right? So let's go to the contact layout from here. And for this layout, let's go to the related list section, right? And we see opportunities here, right? Let's take a look at our record. We have opportunities, and what we want to do as part of this video or this use case is we don't want the user to be able to create the new opportunity from the contact record in the related list, right? So we are on the contact page layout and we see the opportunity related list. All we have to do is click on this gear icon that opens up the related list properties, right? And here you can add or remove some fields that you want to see on the related list, but more importantly, you have a section that's called buttons. And if you expand this section, you will be able to enable or disable the new button. Now if you disable this button, the new button will be hidden from this related list and the user won't be able to create the opportunity, right? Let's try to save this. Let's say okay and click on save, and let's refresh this page. Right, so as you can see, I still see the new button on the cases related list, but the new button on the opportunities is gone away, right? So this is how you can remove the or show or hide new button on the related list for any record. Thank you.